Hi mga ka-UVG, pasensya na nalimutan ko mag-greet ng Happy Valentine's. Sorry naman. So tingnan natin kung anong energy update sa ating UVG Collective. Take-outs resonate po. Sa mga hindi pa makaka-resonate today, better luck next time. Okay. Sa mga makaka-resonate po today, thank you po in advance. So let's see. Anong energy update sa ating mga UVG Collective? So ko po palang magpasalamat sa mga new subscriber natin. Hello po. Stay connected po tayo. Tsaka po sa mga returning subscriber, thank you po sa suporta since day one. Maraming salamat po. So, tingnan natin. Eight of Pentacles. Ten of Pentacles. Oh my God, puro Pentacle. What a good start. Seven of Swords. Okay. And, Five of Wands. So, regarding sa work, merong conflict dito ng mga pangyayari, stealing, lying, cheating, Virgo. When it comes to your security with the Ten of Pentacles. So, ano bang issue nito? There is a fight. There is a fight. There is a, basta, chaos. Itong dalawang card na to. See? Confirmation. Sa mga hindi pa makaka-resonate, better luck next time po. Pero with the Seven of Swords and the Five of Wands, this is definitely a conflict, very conflicted. Pagsisinungaling, pagnanakaw, stealing, lying, cheating. This is in your career department, Virgo. Someone is going to, nakikita ka ng person na to as Empress card. Ikaw ang may alas. Yun ang makikita ko dito. Pero pay attention sa mga people around you. Pay attention sharing your finances and information or because they will use it against you, Virgo. Sana naman po ay naririnig. Okay. The judgment card. So, somebody here, meron tong final judgment sa'yo. Okay. Three of Cups. Okay. Page of Pentacle. Page of Swords. The Two of Cups. The Hangman. And the Sun card upright. So for some of you, Virgo dito, someone is kind of admiring you and seeing you as the potential partner and kind of equal give and take. Nakikita ka ng person na to na you are a fair person. Okay. And despite of all this chaos, this person finds you very attractive. Very charismatic or charming. The Sun card, you make this person happy, but this person is delay. Pinapadelay niya or meron siyang gustong gawin na you are not aware. Okay. Meron ditong discovery ng lying, cheating kind of energy and together with the final judgment. Ang approach mo dito is very anong tawag niyan? Yung paghanga. Itong person na 'to is humahanga, meron kang tagahanga dito. This person sees you as a potential one. Or there is this scenario na there is someone is spying. Page of Swords, okay. Spying on you. See you as the Two of Cups, soulmate, twin flame kind of energy or something in that line. And you make this person happy. But this person is aware na may mga delay and some of the situation, ang tawag niyan? Seeing the situation from a different perspective. Because I guess you have a different background or beliefs. Okay. With the judgment card. Okay. So, tingnan natin. May nabuko dito, may nabuko. And the another person is amazed by how you handle the situation here, Virgo. Sana naman ay naiintindihan ako. Queen of Swords, upright. So, yeah, you are being wise and truthful, intuition. You already know the BS here, Virgo. Alam mo na agad dito, kitang-kita mo na with the Empress card. Kita mo na, silip mo na. Five of Swords. So, meron ditong feeling, Five of Pentacles, sorry. Feeling left out, financially drained. Because of what? Ngayon, merong sudden realization dito about the another person na parang malaking kawalan. Okay, so this person is very nostalgic about the moments that you have together. Okay, meron ditong nawasak ang tiwala. Meron ditong Nine of Cups, so you are good. Okay, no regrets, only lesson. And with the Two of Wands, you are planning something ahead regardless ng mga pangyayaring chaotic, magulong sitwasyon na to because of the stealing, lying, and cheating. You have the final judgment and someone sees you how you handle the situation, Virgo. You are being wise, you're using your intuition, and someone is feeling left out because meron kang nabuko dito. Okay. So, or nagkabukingan when it comes to your career department. Okay. And you on the other hand, you're still stabilizing or stabilize ka na dito. Meaning, siguro tong person na to out of jealousy lang. Nakakita niya kung how stable you are in your career. Okay, tapos sinabutahin niya dito. Okay. And at the end of the day, with the Three of Cups, I think this person is kind of regretting something here. Judgment and the Three of Cups. Okay, sana magandang samahan dito kaya lang pinak-up with the Seven of Swords and the Five of Wands. Maganda sana ang samahan dito. Kaya lang with the Page of Swords, someone seeing the situation behind the scene kung anong mga kaganapan. And itong person na to is the more na nakikita niya na kung paano mo i-handle ang sitwasyon when it comes to stealing, lying, cheating, this person is humahanga. Okay, because you're using your intuition and your intellect here. Okay, and the another person, kung sino man yung nabulilyaso dito, this person is kind of financially drained and feeling left out. Okay, and wala nang kumakausap or something in that line. And I think you know this is going to happen, Virgo. And I think because of you here, with the Empress card kanina, may final judgment dito, may nabuko. And with the Nine of Cups, you're just moving forward here with the Two of Wands, sorry, and the Sun card. Stable ka dito. Meron lang gustong sumira ng ano mo. May nahuli kang nagsisinungaling and everybody knows that this person is a liar or something in that line or cheating or stealing kind of energy. And someone is admiring you here, parang mix naman kasi. So, merong involve ang finances dito. Tell me more. See, the King of Cups, Ace of Cups, and the Devil card. Ay, the Devil card. Pero upright na siya. So, ibig sabihin, yung obsession dito is talagang nan-neutralize. Okay, meaning, this person have an addiction and Four of Wands. This person sees you as the one you make na ano, yung feeling na naibibigay or naipoprovide mo sa person na to kahit hindi mo naman iniisip mo na napoprovide mo pala. Basta parang just being you. Being you, this person is parang nasa cloud 9. Okay. I think hindi pa siya nakaka-experience ng tulad mo, Virgo. And this person, nag-start siyang mag-spy sa'yo or nag-start siyang mag-monitor. Okay. But with the Ace of Cups, parang nafe-feel niyang king na parang ang feeling ko nag-grow na kay Virgins. Which is kailangan kong i-suppress with the Devil card. Kasi with the obsession, if the Devil is upright, meaning obsessively, lahat ng overindulging, lahat ng sobra is masama. So, meaning in control siya sa feeling niya, which is King of Cups is very emotionally intelligent. Okay, pero pag pinartneran mo pa siya ng Ace of Cups, talagang magkakaroon ng Devil card potential or possibility na magiging obsessed siya, parang ganito, maya't maya, chine-check ka niya with the spy card there, with the Two of Cups here, this is the person, this is my person, pero paano ko siya makukuha, paano kami mag-uusap, paano ako magkakaroon ng idea na with the Four of Wands, this is straight to proposal or marriage, Virgo. But I think chine-check pa ng person na to ang background mo when it comes to relationship, or I don't know if you are aware with this person checking on you, Virgo, or nafe-feel mo intuitionally, and I think you're very smart here. You can feel the energy, people around you, nababasa mo agad, or meron kang X-ray eyes kasi. So, the another person dito, kung sino man yung left alone at kung sino man yung nabuking dito, I think it is meant to happen for her or for him. Parang naririnig ko learn in a hard way. Learn the lesson in a hard way. Okay, so just take out resonate, Virgo. And with the Sun card, you make this person happy kung sino man to nag-i-spy or kung sino man to nagsusubaybay sa sitwasyon or anumang sitwasyon meron ka ngayon, someone in the background is seeing you as wow. Okay. And despite all of the lies, all of the cheating, all of the things of that nature, the na may final judgment dito na this person is already in the verge of like feeling left out, not in the verge but already in the feeling left out and ignored, and alam mo yung feeling ng paningin sa'yo is napakababaw. I mean, hindi naman napakababaw pero yung mga actions na mga pinagagagawa mo before ngayon mo palang mare-realize na mga mali pala siya. Okay, the moment na lahat ng mga person na nakapikot sa'yo is nag-walk away na, and you know what I mean, Virgo? Lahat ng mga, kaya may nostalgic card kasunod ng Five of Pentacles eh. Nandun na yung nostalgic na how good yung kung gaano kasaya at gaano kaayos kung nagtinulang kind of energy. Okay, so yun ang nakikita ko dito, Virgo, and this in the another hand, someone here in the background is crushing on you or want to take you out or home or basta pakasalan, proposal, someone here. Pero hindi siya maka-move with the hangman. Yun lang ang hindi natin alam bakit hindi. Sorry. Bakit hindi siya maka-move freely towards you. Okay. Give me one more. So, tingnan natin. Magpupul pa ako ng one card or two cards na lang. Knight of Cups. So, expect this person is going to be romantically. Knight in Shining Armor mo. Three of Swords. I think may ano ka pa dito eh. Or this person is afraid of rejection. Or maybe this person sees you as nasa recovery stage. Or maybe this person is nasa recovery stage. Or if it's not, kung hindi naman, someone is really heartbroken dito when it comes to the situation. Okay, maybe this Three of Swords doon sa Nabucco. Okay, or maybe kasi this is the whole merong nasasaktan talaga dito or talagang heartbroken. Baka naman kasi sa sarili niya lang or dahil sa mga action yung tinig niya before. What else? The Full Guard. Okay. New beginning. Simula ng bago, hindi naman huli ang lahat. Ten of Cups. So, okay. Either this person ang nagde-desire ng Ten of Cups sa'yo or maybe nakikita nitong person na 'to na ayaw niyang ma-reject, nafi-feel niya na agad yung gaano kasakit ma-reject. Okey. So, basta merong isang person dito na nabuo dahil sa pagsisinungaling or dahil sa pagnanakaw or I don't know, something in that line when it comes to your career. And when it comes to love department, someone is crushing on you behind the scene. Naghahanap lang ng timing 'tong person na 'to. Nakikita ka niya as potential partner, wifey or husband material, full package. And very wise, very creative with the Empress card kanina. Okay, yun ang nakikita ko dito and someone is heartbroken or nafe-feel ang rejection dito. Hindi niya alam kung paano mag-a-approach with the Hangman and the Two of Wands. Okay, so nagpa-planning siya dito kaya tayo merong spying card with the Page of Swords. And lumabas ang King of Cups at saka Knight of Pentacles, ay Knight of Cups, sorry, and the Ace of Cups. So, this is definitely with the Ten of Pentacles. This is definitely an offer. May Four of Wands din kanina. So, congratulations Virgo kung sino man yung pinag-aaralan ka or sinusubaybayan ka. This person is very determined. Determined siyang mapasa kanya ka or determined siyang hindi niya lang alam kung paano with the Hangman. Pero meron na siyang insight. Kasi ang Hangman, meron siyang halo. Stuck nga lang. Okay, so hindi ko alam kung paano niya i-unstuck ang sarili niya sa sitwasyon in order to come towards you. Or just something in that line, Virgo. So, tingnan natin kung anong advice. Tingnan natin kung anong advice. Anong ba advice sa ating mga ka-UVG dyan? Knight in Shining Armor, Virgo. It's time to take action. Meditate and contemplate. Adjustment is required. So, may mga adjustment na kailangan gawin dito when it comes to career. Okay, Virgo. And nothing is yet set in stone. So, I think someone here, meron ditong isang person, either ikaw or taong connected sa'yo or taong nasa environment mo, na kailangan mag-take action when it comes to what they want or what needs to be done kind of energy. And but for now wala pang final decision. Okay. Pero when it comes to the thing ng mga issue, I think kailangan ng i-finalize. Okay, so for now maybe wala pa, but it will come. So kailangan ng big adjustment kasi hindi lalabas ang adjustment dito kung hindi mapa-finalize. Okay, so even if the card is nothing is yet set in stone, baka temporarily, and kailangan mag-adjust muna ng konti hanggang sa ma-finalize na dito or baka magkaroon ng stable na situation na. Okay, so adjustment is required, meditate and contemplate, Virgo, and it's time to take action. So, yan ang advice. Tingnan natin kung ano ang angel message number mo. Angel message number for my Virgo, please. Meron kang 7, 9, meron kang king na nag-pass away, masculine energy, 7, 9, 10. So, i-google mo siya, meron kang mensahe dyan, maaaring makaresonate sa sitwasyon mo. So, yeah. This is what I have for you, Virgo. Thank you for being here, Virgo. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one, Virgo, and bye for now.